It's two people. Well, he is normal.
Dolma ye Ceyda.
What do I eat? Rice and yogurt, please. What I had for lunch? Oh, I had dinner.
You could just have rice and yogurt. Sit down.
No, I had dinner. Can I have a snack?
You could just have rice.
No. I can have dessert after dinner. What is it?
What? Have some rice. Okay, eat whatever you want.
That will be my dessert,
Are you
alright?
still videotaping?
Yeah.
Why don't you show it to him now? It's finished.
No, it's not. I'm going to wait until he's finished.
It only does 1 minute.
Really?
Uh-huh.
No, it's doing it more.
Now show it to him.
But it's doing it more.
Oh yeah, it is. But don't do it anymore. Kapat.
No.
Now show it to him.
I want to see him.
I said him. Now show it to him.
I want to keep it. No!
How about you can't play with my computer? How's that?
No. Okay, I'll just stop it and show it to him. Okay, when he takes another bite, I'll do it.